MI200 has a capability of actually storing welds per job. What a lot of insurance companies are requesting, a lot of shops want to keep on file to make sure that the vehicles were repaired properly. Under the reporting mode, once you get the proper settings, whether you're going to weld in auto mode, standard mode, or manual mode, you can come in and hit the round button under reporting. This is going to allow you to access and create that folder name. So if you're working off work orders, you just put the proper work order number in. The plus and minus allows you to move from side to side. The arrow up and down will select what number. So if we were going to go 921, we'd select 9 using the arrow, drops down, gives us a 9. Then we want to move over to the next one. We use the plus sign to move over, use the arrow again, and do the countdown to 920. Now we're at the 2, shows up here, we'll hit the plus sign one more time, moves it over. And again, just a simple process of selecting the proper number. Once you have the work order installed in this, you just simply hit the mode, that okays that. That's going to store the information on an SD card for every weld performed on that vehicle. It's going to show up in the upper left-hand corner what the work order is. By hitting the arrow to the right under reporting, we'll now start recording all the welds for that report. Once that vehicle is completed, we can hit the circle under reporting, and that will stop the recording for that folder.